So what first brought you to Elderflower?
My dad had passed away and my stepmum was contesting my dad's will, and my dad had left the house to me and my sister, and she was wanting the house. So I came to Elderflower because obviously it was something that my dad had wanted, to leave the house to me and my sister. So we came to sort of just see advice and, what would happen, and if we could if we could challenge the will. Yeah.
So what happened when you came to speak to Sarah? What did she say?
Sarah was wonderful, absolutely wonderful. She was absolutely wonderful. She helped in all aspects, everything, and basically said we had got a very good chance of, fighting her against taking, what my dad wanted, his wishes, you see, she was taking that away from us. So Sarah was lovely, absolutely wonderful. I can't say it enough, I'm sorry, but she was wonderful.
And did it take a long time? Was it a difficult, complex case, Sarah, did you?
It wasn't particularly complex, was it? It was just very difficult, I think, for Julie and her sister to deal with the situation that a will, something that their dad had wanted to happen, was being challenged, and that was just really, really tough. But we managed to establish that the stepmum did have enough left by the will to her and enough resources of her own not to need anything more than what she'd already been given. So she had to abandon her case, and that was, I think, the right result for everybody.
Yes, definitely.
What do you think would have happened if you hadn't come to Elderflower?
Well, I would probably say that she would have got the house and me and my sister would have had nothing, and my dad's wishes wouldn't have been upheld. So
you're glad you came?
Oh, definitely.
And what would you sort of recommend to friends who kind of either don't have a will or they're in a similar situation to yourself?
I mean, it is advisable to have a will, but to have a will as in set out properly, which is obviously by a proper solicitor, and to, and even if you don't have a will and it comes, and you think it might happen to you, just go to see, a solicitor, and, just to try and see, because, we were the sort of, we might not be able to do anything, but you've got to give it a go, haven't you?
Yeah.